Hey guys, this is Ashwini Parekh. Welcome to this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of effect in an Illustrator in very easy and quick techniques. So without any further delay, let's get started. So to begin with, we will take a artboard with 500 by 500 pixel size dimensions, and let's take some spines. Let's create one alphabet. So I will go with N. And what I will do, I will disconnect these anchors. So here we will have 3 spines, 1, 2 and 3. So now I will take a circle and I will remove its outline, and with the gradient, I'll play with the gradient right now in this. So let's select one gradient. Let's take orange and red, no, yellow, no. I like this. Yep, let's go with this. And let's choose the angle of 45 degrees. Yep. So let's go ahead and duplicate it till here, and let's reduce its size. Yeah, select this both and go to object, blend options. So now choose specified distance and choose the value of 1.5 pixels. Hit OK, and again go to object, blend, make blend. So you will see this kind of pattern here, this kind of symbol. Obviously we call this as a symbol, so this kind of symbol over here. So now the tricky process start. Select this one, go to effect, distort and transform, and go to roughen. So be careful over here that your CPU don't have much GPU power, then there may be a chance that your system can be hanged or application can be crashed. So be careful choosing your size and details for the object. So I will go size up to 45. I'll choose this absolute and smooth, and detailing like say 50. Yeah, 50 is much neater. Hit OK, and we have 3 spines over here, so I will duplicate it 3 times. Now our mesh process is done, so simply blend, replace with spine. I'll select this one and replace with spine. Go to blend and replace spine. Now select this one, object, blend, replace spine. So yeah, here's your N. Let's make it a little small, and to give a drama in the sense, let's create a background and send it back. So yep, there it is. Or if you want it much neater, so here is your N with the background. I will choose orange is much nice. I like this gradient thing. It's much neater now. Yeah, so there you go. Enjoy your creativity, and do like, share, subscribe to this channel, and support please. I will be back with few more tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye bye.